Hi, I'm Pushkar, Master Teacher in Chemistry at Vedantu, and I'm discussing KVPY 2018 SX Part 1 Chemistry paper. Here is a question. Among the following, the plot that correctly represents the conductometric titrations of strong acid H2SO4 with weak base NH4OH. We are adding base and we are measuring the conductance of H2SO4 solution. So, what is the approach of this problem? The approach of the problem is that we have H2SO4 and we are adding NH4OH into this. So if we are adding NH4OH, neutralization reaction will take place. NH2SO4 solution contains what? H plus ion, sulfate ion, and we are adding NH4OH. So this NH4OH will destroy the H plus ion. So when we start adding NH4 plus ion, H plus will be destroyed. So H plus will decrease, and as a result of decrease in H plus, what we are going to get? We're going to get NH4 plus ion. Let's see how. The basic reaction which is taking place is H plus NH4OH is changing into NH4 positive plus water. So basically when you add NH4OH into the H plus is consumed, and instead of H plus you will get what? NH4 positive. So when titration starts, H plus ions will be replaced by NH4 plus ions. And since H plus ions has a very high ionic mobility, lambda molar of H plus is much greater than lambda molar of NH4 positive. So initially the conductance will decrease, and the decrease is due to what? It is because the very high fast moving or very large ionic mobility H plus ions are getting replaced by what? NH4 plus ion. But as soon as the equivalence point is reached, suppose at equivalence point all the H plus has been consumed. All the H plus ion has been consumed and converted into NH4 plus, twice of NH4 plus and plus water. So afterwards when you add NH4OH, then what is going to happen? Nothing is going to happen, because already we have NH4 positive in the solution and sulfate ion in the solution. But this weak acid, when you add further into this one, that's not going to ionize. You very well know that NH4OH is very slightly ionized, and in presence of NH4 positive, it is not going to be ionized any further due to the common ion effect. So the impact will be what? The ions will not increase. There is no addition of ions after the equivalence point. So what kind of behavior we expect? We expect a behavior where conductance should initially decrease and then that should remain constant. Something like this. Now let us see what options we have. So if you look at the options, the first option is of course wrong, absolutely wrong. Second option is also absolutely wrong. So C, we left with only one option, that is B. All other options are distinctly wrong. So there is no question of any confusion. Answer is C. I hope that you understand this problem. And why and become constant after the salt formation? Why? Because when you add NH4 positive into NH4 and NH4OH into a solution which is already containing lot of NH4 plus ion, what do you think what will happen? Due to the common ion effect, due to common ion effect, this dissociation of NH4OH will be further suppressed. So you can think of this NH4OH as to be a dead substance. It's not going to affect the conductance. That's the most important thing. So that is why the conductance become constant after the equivalence point. I hope that you understand the problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for discussion of other questions.